Hello, I'm Phil Svitek, 360 Creative Coach, and it's my pleasure in life to help aspiring artists reach their creative ambitions. Now, part of doing so, I've learned that they need to master mental fortitude. Because talent and luck alone won't make you successful. So first off, what is mental fortitude? It's a mindset, it's a perspective. It's the tools that you need in your life, in your creative journey specifically, for when obstacles come. The way I view the entertainment industry is it's like a shaking tree. It just keeps shaking. And if you can just hang on to that damn shaking tree, you can find success. Now, in order to be able to hold on to that shaking tree, you need the right tools, which translates to a mindset. So, because I believe in this so strongly, not only do I teach weekly lessons that help you master mental fortitude, but I've taken those lessons and put them in a course book. So the book is called Master Mental Fortitude, and it has 35 lessons, and it takes those lessons, teaches them to you, shows you how they apply to your life, and then the reason why it's called a course book is because there's exercises for you to take those lessons and apply them to your life. This is one thing, I feel like a lot of times we read great nonfiction and have all these epiphanies, but we never apply it to our life, and that's the missing factor. So via my course book, Master Mental Fortitude, that's what I aim to do, is to not only give you these lessons to help you on your creative journey, but to really put it into action. And the nice part about it is, throughout your creative journey, you're gonna face different obstacles at different times. And the nice part is you can always revisit this course book at any given moment. In fact, I do it all the time. A lot of times when I'm faced with certain challenges, I have to be reminded myself of the various things that I teach myself, or teach you rather. And by having this tool, which is the book, I'm able to do that and to remind myself, okay, I gotta go through these steps. So I think it's a wonderful resource. I highly encourage you to check it out. You can pick up an ebook version of it, or you can get a physical copy of it if you so desire. Both are available at mastermentalfortitude.com. And if you could do me a favor, if you do go ahead and purchase it, please leave a review. That way other people can know if it's beneficial for them to check out as well. And if you strongly believe that it is beneficial, well then also spread the word, spread the love, whether on social media or face-to-face to your coworkers, friends, family. It would mean the world to me. Thank you, and hope you enjoy if you do decide to pick it up.